Bula everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We are in Denarau Island, the crown jewel of Fiji. This is the ultra luxury residential community, 24/7 guard gated community, about 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport. We're in the Riverside Gardens precinct right now, and we have a home that is not yet completed. And the owner has told us he's willing to sell the property either as is, where you can come in and do the final touches, pick out the final design, tile for the pool, exterior color, all the fittings on the inside. If somebody wanted to do that and modernize it to their taste, somebody can buy this as is right now. We'll give you all the details, or he'll finish this up for you, and this will be a brand new home on Denarau Island. And trust me, very, very, very rare. So I'm gonna walk you through this here today, and you can see, obviously not completed. They've got the electrical coming down and all the drywall's up. You can see that. Lots of natural light gonna be in this house. Lots of windows, open concept here. So this is great for a big family, or if you're coming to Fiji part-time, maybe for a business, and when you have something for your employees or executives to come in, this is gonna be a real winner, especially because the quality of workmanship, it's all brand new, and a lot of the permits have been taken care of for you. Here's one of the laundry rooms. This is a half bath here, toilet area. This is one of the rooms downstairs, getting all finished up. Nice slider to the outside. There'll be a nice little sitting area on the side. These are the fully tiled bathrooms. And there's gonna be a nice window up there. And again, fully tiled throughout. And obviously, again, not finished in case you're coming into the video midstream here. This is a wonderful opportunity for you to either buy a home that you can do the final touches on, and you can see some of the extra tiles and supplies that are here. And this is where a little kitchen island's gonna be. All your kitchen appliances back in the back there. It's gonna be a really nice backsplash. And this is available with plans. So if you do wanna come have a look, look at the plans. If you're a home builder, designer, an architect, or you're just coming from overseas looking for an A-class property with the modern touches on a tropical island, this is going to be a wonderful opportunity for you. And you can see you are right on the waterway. So this is the Denarau community, 24/7 guard-gated community, restaurants, retail, shopping, coffee shops, wine bars. Everything is all literally steps away from this home. And let's just walk down here, and I'm gonna show you this half of the house. So again, you can see they're just finishing everything out. Big soaking tub coming in here. And that's gonna feel really good after you've been out doing some of this great fishing or snorkeling, scuba diving, and you can even do right from your backyard. You can get on a stand-up paddleboard or kayaks and get literally just right out to Nandi Bay. It's very, very cool. And you've got some beautiful mountain views here. I'm gonna show you and turn this around. So this could be a great office up here, or a beautiful bedroom, but look at the mountain views there. How wonderful is that? Really, really beautiful. So we're on the near Nandi, N-A-D-I. That's near the international airport on the southwest corner. Difference between Nandi and Suva. Suva is where the capital city is. It's about 3.5-hour drive from here, but that's on the southeast side of the main island of VT Levu, and you get a lot of rain over there. So most people prefer to be on the west side here. We're standing above the 2-car enclosed garage right now, and that other side there is also part of this house. This house is enormous. So we're gonna walk over there right now. Plenty of things to do here in Fiji. You're gonna wanna go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051, and we'll get you all the details of this home. And again, if you want to have the home completed to your satisfaction, there's a price for that. Or you can buy it as is and then come in and get your contractors and builders and architects to come in and fine tune it to your specifications. Maybe you want to put some nice pendant or chandeliers there. But look at that beautiful tropical water view, palm trees throughout. And this is sort of a mirror image of that other room that you can see is still not completed. So this is a really, really unique opportunity here in Fiji. These do not come up, I'm telling you. So if you want to be able to get the final touches, make them your own, especially if you are a builder or contractor, somebody from overseas or here in Fiji who understands building and thinks that they can do it a little bit better or to your satisfaction, this could be a winner. We look forward to hearing from you soon. And again, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us +679 999 2051 to get all the details. We hope you're having a wonderful day. We look forward to seeing you here soon. Banaka.